Happy day students, welcome to San Academy Pallikarnai, Class 9 Biology, Chapter 15, Improvement in Food Resources, Part 2. And in this Part 2, we are going to discuss about different variety of crops, how crops are being classified based on their produce and based on the seasonal requirements and based upon the photo period. Before discussing about the sustainable agricultural practices, we should know actually what is a crop and based on what they are classified. So crops are the plants which are grown by human on a large area for food and other use, like fodder for animals and fiber for cloth, etc. For successful production of crop, we must understand the growth and the development of crops and factors affecting their growth and management of crops. Generally, crops are classified into three categories. They are field crops, that is food grain, pulses, oilseed, etc. The second is plantation crops. They are tea, coffee, rubber, cocoa, etc. And the third is garden crops, which are fruits, vegetables, ornamental plants and etc. So now let us discuss about few food crops. Food crops are the crops which are raised to meet the food requirement of human being, and food crops include cereals, pulses, oil seeds, fruits and vegetable. The food crops provide carbohydrates. For example, cereals like rice, wheat, maize, millet, sorghum, etc. provide us carbohydrates, whereas pulses like peas, beans, gram, etc. provide us with protein, and oil seeds like groundnuts, sesame, castor, mustard, etc. provides us with fat. Vegetables, spices and fruits provides us with vitamins and minerals along with small amount of carbohydrates, fats and protein. So for fodder crops like bersum, oats or sudden grass are grown as a food for livestock, because we know that it is important for us to grow animals also. So there is the requirement of food for growing animals, and for that purpose we have to grow fodder crops. Apart from this, there are also commercial crops, those crops which are grown for the purpose of income through import and export, such as cotton, jute, sugarcane, sugar beet, tobacco, etc. Not only these, based on another category also the crops can be classified, that is seasonal classification. That is based upon the season in which the crops grow, they are classified into two types. It is Rabi crop and Kharif crop. Rabi crops, they are generally called as winter season crop, that is they grow in the month of October to November and are harvested in March to April. The major Rabi crops that are grown in this season are wheat, gram, tea, sugarcane, mustard and linseed. Whereas coming to Kharif crop, they are called as rainy season crops, that is in the month of June and July, and they are harvested in September to October. And the major crops cultivated as Kharif crops are paddy, soya bean, maize, cotton, black gram, millets, etc. And for the growth of crops, they always require different climatic condition, temperature and photo period. And what does this term photo period means? The term photo period is the length of the day during which the sunlight is available to the plant. That is the time duration for how long sunlight is readily available for the plants in order to perform photosynthesis and support their growth. The plants can respond to relative length of daylight and darkness, and this phenomenon is called photoperiodism. That is, the plants actively respond to the length or duration of daylight and darkness, and this practice or phenomenon is called as photoperiodism.